6:23. Stand by. What was my time on that one? 9:20. Stand by. Five, 5. Stand by. Six, 4, 2. How many runs is that? One more run. Last one. Last one. Stand by. Will be clear. Well done. Come on. Come on.
1487. You're ready. Stand by. $11.15.
Climb that front side, man.
Stand by. 689. Stand by. 1034. Is that it, or one more? One more? One more? One more. Stand by. $11.26. You ready? Stand by. Come on. $10.68.
Gotta beat 459.
Yeah. I'll try. Two ready. Stand by. What was that? 11.62. Ready? Stand by. $11.43.
Alright, here we have Marcus on smoking dope.
I know. My
Let's
time.
see what he can do here.
Two ready. Ready. Stand
See if
by.
he's gonna get this. Another one. We'll catch him up. This one.
10.67. How many was that? One more? One more run? One more.
We're gonna try again. We're gonna try to get all 5 plates.
Shooter ready. Stand by. Hit. Now where's it hit? 10, 15.
How to get there.
Side forward.
Usually I'm pretty
Coming
straight
down.
left and right.
And hold.
My